Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to integrate GitLab in the IntelliJ. So we are going to set up GitLab account in the IntelliJ via Personal Access Token. So after the successful integration, we should be able to clone any project which is hosted in our GitLab server, and we should be able to perform all these Git operations in that project: push, pull, fetch and merge changes, and create the MR by using IntelliJ UI itself. So first go to your GitLab account, and after login create a new project. So I am going to clone this new project after our setup is done in our IntelliJ. So this is my blank project. Visibility level I have selected private. Okay, so after performing proper authentication, then only people will be able to access this project. So I am going to create a blank project now. So this project we need to clone first in our IntelliJ. So go to IntelliJ, we have this option, clone repository. So we are going to clone the GitLab repositories. So click on the GitLab. So in this token field, we need to add our personal access token from the GitLab account. Okay, so simply click on generate. So this will take you to the personal access token page in the GitLab. So we can also come to this page by using your profile. So after you log in into your GitLab, click on your profile picture, go to preferences. So on the left hand side, you will find this option, access tokens. Again, we are on the same page. So let's create personal access token now. So just provide some token name. From here we can set the expiration date for our token. So after this date, 30 April, our token will be invalid. Then from the scope section, select API, read user, and for write operation we will require write repository as well. Okay, and then click on create personal access token. Okay, so this value you can copy and keep it somewhere on your local system because you will not be able to see it again. Okay, so I am going to copy this value, and this value we are going to add in this token field. Click on login. So this will authenticate our account, and it will show all the repository, all the projects hosted on my GitLab account. Okay, so I can clone any of this project in my IntelliJ now. Okay, so we have just created this new project. So I am going to clone this one. Click on clone. So this GitLab project is available in our IntelliJ workspace now. Okay, so on the left hand side we have different option for commit. This option is for creating the merge request in the GitLab, and at the bottom you have this Git section. So from here you are able to see your remote and local branches in the Git. So let's make some changes in the project. So inside this package, let's create one file. Click on add. Okay, so these changes are available on my local system now. So I can push these changes into our remote GitLab repository. So click on commit. Here we have the changes. So this file has been changed on the local system. So in the commit message, just add whatever changes you have done as a part of this commit. So this is my commit message. Now click on commit and push. Okay, so it is going to push our changes from local main branch to the remote main branch in our GitLab account. So click on push. It is pushing our changes now. So our changes will be staged first. Okay, all the files will be moved to our staging area. From there it will go to the local Git repository, and from there IntelliJ will push your changes to your remote GitLab repository. So we can verify those changes. So you can see we got this first commit, and as a part of that commit we have added one package and one file in this project. So this is how we have integrated GitLab account in our IntelliJ, and we have performed cloning and push operation using IntelliJ UI itself. So let's perform the pull operation now. So let's say the same file I am editing from the GitLab account. So I updated test1 file in the package 1, and I am going to commit these changes in our main branch. So now these changes are available in our remote GitLab repository. So let's try to pull these changes in our local GitLab repository now. So in the Git section you will see we have local and we have remote as well. So in the IntelliJ, for performing pull operation we have different options. Okay, so one option is right click on this remote main and here we have this pull into main using merge. So it will pull all the changes from the remote main branch and it will be merged in our local main branch. Okay, so let's try it. So it will fetch first and it will merge the both branches. Okay, so all the changes are available in our local Git now. So let me show you another way. I am going to edit this file again. So go to IntelliJ again. Here we have this option, fetch all remotes. Click on it. So this will perform only fetch operation. It will not merge our main branch. So our remote main branch has been updated, but our local main branch is not yet updated. Okay, because we have just performed the fetch operation. So if you mouse over on this, it is showing one incoming commit. So to merge this remote main branch into our local main branch, open the project, right click on it. You have this Git option. Again, we got different options to perform different Git operations here, like for push, pull, fetch, merge. Okay, from here we can manage the remotes as well. So for now we have just added this one GitLab remote. Okay, so this option you are getting on the right click on the project in the Git, and we got different options over here. Okay, so for merge you can use this option, merge. So I am going to merge origin main into my local main. So from this drop down I need to select origin main, right, and click on merge. Now we got these changes in our local. Same Git options you will get from here. Click on main menu and on the top side you will get this Git. Okay, so again you got all the option from here. You can use this update project as well to sync your local and remote GitLab branch. Okay, click on OK. So it will show all files are up to date. So with these changes, if you want to create merge request to merge into our main branch, you can use this option, merge request. So this section will show you all the merge requests that you have created to merge into our main branch. So mainly when we create our own branch and do our changes, that changes we need to merge in our main branch. Okay, so that time we can create merge request from here in the IntelliJ. So you can use this plus icon to create the merge request and select your own branch that you want to merge into our main branch. Okay, and from here you will be able to create the merge request. So this is how you can set up your GitLab account in the IntelliJ by using the personal access token, and after the integration we are able to perform all the Git operations right from cloning, push, pull, fetch, merge and create the MR as well from the IntelliJ UI itself.